They're coming around. Keep your eyes peeled. There they go, low. Look up, look up. Look straight up. It might be.
Look what she could do.
You think that's the girl?
Yes.
Is she the best pilot?
Yeah, get me up this tree.
No.
What?
Here she comes. Wait a minute, there's another one over here. Don't look at the sun. Where'd that one girl go?
Why you
Because she'll go blind. Where'd they go? Oh, look up! Whoa! Wow. And they just go whoosh.
Can we watch the video?
In a little bit. Where's the other one? The other one went that. Whoa! Look up. Oh my gosh.
I think she's trying to fight something.
Maybe. She's gonna come down fast. Boy, this is gonna be a loud one. Better watch out for this. I see a speck in the sky. Look straight up. Here it comes. Coming. Oh my gosh, this is right above the light post. Where are they gonna go? Oh my gosh. In the clouds. Where's that plane? You see it?
Right there.
Right underneath the cloud. Charlotte got it.
Yeah.
Oh man, I don't know where they're going. I think they were gonna come right back here. Where's the other ones? There's 5 of them. Whoa! Whoa!
It's what you were trying to look. What?
Here they come! Boy, this is gonna be loud. Whoa, they're writing a big letter C. Whoa! And where's the other one?
What's that girl?
I don't know. We're looking.
What's this?
A big chunk of concrete. Where'd you go?
Yeah,
I hear a bunch of them.
it's coming from right here. Carry me.
Is this fun, Charlotte?
Carry me.
I'm glad we went to see this. I'm making a big video.
When's the video going to be done?
Oh, I don't know. A few minutes.
Can you send that to Mama?
Yeah.
But first, could we watch it?
Yeah. Well, all right. We'll watch them one more time, and then we gotta get going. Where are they?
They're crash landing.
No, don't ever say that, Charlotte.
Why?
'Cause that's terrible. Bad luck. Oh, something's coming. Whoop, there they go. One. Here they come. There goes one.
Oh, there's one.
Above the trees.
Oh, there it is.
Where's Maverick? I wish Maverick was here. You want to fly jets someday? You want to fly jets someday, Katie?
Yeah.
What's your call sign?
Little angel.
You can be Cupcake. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Whoa! Look at that. Whoa, look behind us. We have Cupcake 1 right here. Cupcake 1. Cupcake 2. Maverick. Where's Maverick? Maverick's at home. Whoa! Alright, you ready to go?
Yeah.